Well, it's the opening day of doe here in our part of the state. The first week or so, you can only shoot bucks, but today we're out here. It's like I said, it's opening day of doe. Isaac and I are sitting in the food plot where I've been sitting with Chloe for the past few days, and the only thing that's come out has been doe and a little buck. But so there's a lot of deer back here. There's a ton of doe. We got to shoot some of them, so that's what we're doing. We both brought our rifles, and we're looking to double up tonight, or at least get one. So stay tuned. It's a little bit windy, but I still like our chances, so I think we might be able to get it done tonight.
Smoked it.
You hit it. You definitely hit it.
Like it jumped like crazy.
Yeah, mule kicked. With Isaac shooting that doe, we just switched spots and I got my gun on the tripod here. Fingers crossed that another one comes out, but it's so dang windy tonight and the deer just aren't moving. There's usually piles of them that come out here, but I don't know, hopefully there's still a bunch more to come, so stay tuned. We'll see if we can't double up. Alright guys, we're getting ready to go track this thing, so hopefully it's not too far. We looked at the footage, it looked like a pretty decent hit, so I don't think it would be far, so stay tuned for the recovery. Oh, there she is. Dead right under that deadfall. It is a big doe. Oh no, where did you hit it?
I see the blood coming out. Oh, right there must be.
Yep.
All right, just got out of the woods with my doe here. It's a pretty big doe. It ran farther than what we thought, honestly, for the shot. It was about 220 yards when I shot it, and it probably ran 80 to 100 yards, and it blew both lungs apart. But we got her regardless, and there's still plenty of doe out there, and we'll be back out there in the next couple days. So make sure you like and subscribe, and there's more coming at you.